Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video guys, and we are talking about the latest episode of the new show called iThonga. Guys, we are just on episode 2 and listen the drama plus the storyline of this show guys, top tier I must say. Guys, the actors and the actresses on the show, shame. This guy who is playing both Ubanele, so the guy the twins is played by one person. This guy who is playing both Ubanele and Usanele, guys, Haibo, he is a phenomenal actor. Not him, Dwage. We know Ayanda Borocho, which she's a phenomenal actress, but that man who is playing Undanzi, yes, guys, that man's presence on every scene, even when he's not speaking, his presence is felt. He's like those type of men that he's not a man of much words, but listen, when he talks, he demands attention. Anyway, guys, we're on episode 2, and all I'm gonna say is yes, that's Ubanele, guys. Why is Ubanele so stubborn? Uyangstressa, guys. Uyangstressa njena because I'm just like, you are going to ruin everything here. Everyone must be like putting the pieces back together for you, and you still don't listen. Yo, guys, Ubanele, no, like he's something else. But anyway, guys, the thing that Ubanele did yesterday or the previous episode by shooting one of Ntanzi's guys, listen, it has started another type of war, and Untanzi and his guys now are on top of Ubanele. They want to delete Ubanele off and show him who's boss, because Ubanele, the way he does things, guys, I'm just like, Banana, no, you need to calm down, you guys. But anyway, one of the things we see on episode 2 is that Untanzi's guys, they decide, Untanzi's men or the guys who work for him, they decide to burn one of Ubanele's trucks, the family, Angitibane construction family business. They decide that, I think it's Makwaza's construction. They decide to burn one of those trucks. I'm just like, look, Kebanele, when you're not calculative. I mean, burning a truck, guys, means Uguti already umsebenzi that you guys need to do is going to be behind, because how are you just gonna replace a truck and anjalo? Anyway, the truck is burnt, you guys. One of the other things we see on episode 2, Usanele, he eventually is engaged. His fiance says yes, but we realize on episode 2, guys, Usanele's fiance, her family does not like the Makwaza family. So the Makwaza family is like that family that, yes, they're successful and yes, they give people jobs in the community, but we all know the way they go about their business is shady. Now I'm feeling sorry for Ubanele, because I'm just like, for Usanele rather, guys, because the way things are looking, it looks like Usanele is eventually going to have to get involved in this business, in this family business. And I am worried, guys, is Usanele not going to turn out worse than Ubanele? And I have a feeling that he's going to end up losing even this fiance, because him and his fiance, guys, you can see which they are good people. Usanele, he is, let me not say he's nothing like his family, but he's not like his family. He's not like his twin, you guys. He's chosen the right path in life. He's a principal. His wife, or his now fiance, is a teacher. They want to get married. But listen, the fiance's father doesn't want nothing to do with the Makwaza family because of the way they do things. And I'm just like, I feel like Usanele is just going to, yo guys, ngiyamsabela. But anyway, it is what it is, because you know how family is, guys, especially anything that has to do with family business. Eventually, when it's a situation like this, your hands are gonna get dirty. I am just curious at this point to see Usanele, how is he gonna maneuver around this thing? And does it mean Uti now he's going to have to sacrifice and choose between his blood family and a family that he now wants to grow with his now fiance? Anyway, guys, you tell me, are you loving the show? How are you taking it? I saw someone saying, Uti, yes, the show is nice. The only downfall is that it's not the type of show you can watch with your family, like umkoka, and indeed it's not, you guys, it's not something you can watch with kids because yay, like it's very violent. But tell me, are you feeling the show? Are you hooked the way I am hooked? Anyway, let's park it right here. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.